Hi everyone, my name is Luis David Arrieta and I have been to the manager of the La Dorada Hotel for 6 years. Well, for me it's a pleasure to tell you that our hotel meets all priorities and expectations for the public. First, the hotel has been working with public and private entities since a long time, and this has generated for us a company the recognition for years a good service that is provided to all customers. We know that if you are looking for a spacious, comfortable, familiar and safe place, your best option will be the La Dorada Hotel. We have been improving our rooms to give our customer a comfortable, large and very pleasant place where they can sleep and take a good rest. Since our hotel began to be recognized throughout the country, this does generate more customer and better infrastructure of sales. With work and dedication, we have built several recreational centers for our clients such as swimming pools, gyms, and relation centers, and paramedic center for accidents. Well, there is also a restaurant that prepares the best meals for a good price. Also, I dress you so you can look perfect. Here have working many friendly porters, receptionists, waitresses, and waiters who keep all their rooms clean. Since the hotel opened the doors 1997. As I have already sent you hotel guide, there you can find more details about Prince and tourist place to visit for a good price if you prefer. You can come and speak personal with me, and I will have the pleasure in serving you in the best way. And so now each of the promotion we have. Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you later.